12th annual Three Brothers Supercross main event. We have Team Rockstar, Team Red Bull coming in any minute. It's week number 1. We have a bike for raffle over there for $20. We have food and DJs outside. This has been something that Three Brothers have been doing every year for the last 12 years that I've been here. It's just been a special event. We get real close to the riders. We get to ask them questions and have fun. It's a very interactive event for us other than Anaheim 1. So we appreciate you coming by. There's a sale on everything that's going on here with all the apparel. And just enjoy yourself.
What's up guys, Martin Riskin here. First year signing of the year, Three Brothers, Costa Mesa. Yeah, it's fun, like I said, first one of the year. It's exciting, you know, new faces, you know, Cooper, a new teammate, and new posters. Pretty cool, so I'm enjoying it, and a lot of people showing up, so it's awesome.
What's up guys, I'm Shane McElrath and we're out here in Costa Mesa at the Three Brothers Racing KTM Dealership. We're just signing some autographs.
Hey, welcome to the Three Bros 2019 Supercross party. Here you got some sandwiches. Egg sandwich, would you like one? It's the best. It's really good. I would love to say I made it, but I didn't. But it's really good. Serve?
All right, once again, race fans, Supercross fans, welcome to Three Brothers Racing official autograph signing party. Hope you're ready to have a good time with us here tonight. Make sure you make your way inside. We got free food, we got raffle tickets for free swag, and we're giving away a dirt bike. All right here, Three Brothers Racing.
What's up guys, it's Sean Cantrell. We're out here in Costa Mesa, California, signing some autographs at Three Brothers Racing KTM shop and having a good time. We got a lot of people here, we got some new posters, and check it out.
What's up, my name's Joshua Reeves. We're out here at Costa Mesa at Three Brothers Racing, doing some autographs.
Hey, what's up? I'm Cooper Webb. We're at Three Brothers Motorsports, signing some autographs for A1.
Oh no? There's no oh no. Okay, take yourself out of the whole equation. You're not even a dirt bike rider. Who's going to be on your podium tomorrow night, 450 class? You're not a Rockstar team member. Who's on your podium?
I'm going to go Anderson, Newton, and Larson.
Dang it, already it's ticket number 2. Right there. KTM XC150 that we're gonna give away. It's a 2-stroke motorcycle. It's gonna make some kid or some adult real happy. We got Jason Anderson, graciously gonna help us give this thing away. We have a few tickets left for sale, so we're gonna stand right back here and give these few tickets away and get on with the raffle. Go ahead, Jason, take it away.
The name on this is Sten Rasmussen.
Sten Rasmussen, ticket number 502. Sten Rasmussen, are you in the building? Sten Rasmussen. Sten Rasmussen. We're trying to send him a text. Oh, we're going to get Jason to call him right now. How about that? We're all waiting for Sten Rasmussen to answer the phone.
Hey, is this Sten Rasmussen? Hey, this is Jason Anderson, and we're doing a bike raffle at Three Brothers that you signed up for, and you won the bike. Yeah. Right on, dude. Hey, you won the bike. Well, I'm gonna hand off the phone, and yeah, if you can figure out a way to come get this thing.
Super stoked. I love this every time of the year. It's super fun to meet all the guys and get the autographs, and yeah, it's really cool to come here. Thank you for Three Brothers putting this on. It's great. Love it.
Food is bomb.
Food is fun. Thanks, Three Brothers.
We just wrapped up at Three Bros, signed some autographs, and time to go hit the hay and get ready for tomorrow at A1.
Jason Anderson here, just wrapped up at Three Brothers and had a good time here doing a signing. See you at Anaheim 1 tomorrow morning.
Thank you for everybody coming out tonight. That was the 12th annual Supercross main event at Three Brothers. We gave away a motorcycle tonight. We gave away a ton of prizes. Everybody had a good time. Merry Supercross.